crazy weather over this region because the crazy tilt after this intro. ExtremeWeather here just let you know what's the next couple weeks forecast, what is going happening. Just so far, just bunch little snow around Idaho areas, but that's not enough for the next. But this is just the European shows for at least until the next 9 hours, and a little bit some rain in Florida, but actually this little bit system will bring us a little bit of chance, a little bit of some storms. I will show you in a little bit. I will show you what is going to happen next during the NAM model, what is going on about it, what is about how much going on, so much snowfall already, and lots of low precipitation water course, lots of water precipitation around the Mississippi, but during those events, the little bit of chance for storm. You can see very good about the K-index, shows a lot about it, show you right now. I just wanted to show you what is good up close to going on about the K-index to let you know what is happening with those K-index, what is going on about that, how much it is going on. You can see there's a lot in that little area, in it like around the Kansas area, or no, it's like Texas. That's what I was trying to tell you about Texas region. And also I will let you know what is going on a little bit more about it. I think around the Texas region, you will get a little bit about dew points. Let you know about that. You can see a very good like 70 degrees of dew point, but not last really long. But it could be you hear like a little bit thunder here and there, just maybe some thunderstorms, not a lot of it. Just let you know what is going on. Just let you know about what is going on about the severe weather part, about what other areas also we need to keep an eye on, like this area right here actually will move to the northeastward to get a little bit something more about it, and also what is going on about something more than that. There's a little something else going on. You can kind of see it, a very good like go down and back up. That's where it is like going down, when it go back up. I trying to let you know about what is that very soon, what is going on about that little purple area. We need to keep an eye first. Just to let you know what is the purple is, and then we can focus on the orange area very soon after that. You can see what is going on about it so far, what is happening with all this, the moisture. Keep an eye on it, because to see it happening, how much it is going on right now, to see happening so much moisture with the dew point, to see it, keep an eye on the dew point, to keep it on how much moisture it is. A very good idea for a little bit of storm, but this is just at midnight during 10 p.m. Sometimes I post that really late, but actually that storm could have a little bit K index and also a couple little bit thunder. You can see around a little bit Mississippi border area, but actually we're going to see a little bit much more than that, and it will reach the split. Then the northeast will have a little bit thunder, and around New York we'll have a little bit like thunderstorm. I mean like thunder snow. That's what I'm meaning about it. Keep an eye on it going on right now to see happening how much the dew point is still there, but it's going to keep on the other part of that, the threat. What is keep eye so much about it. Now we're going to look at the down ridge. What is going on with that? You can see very clear what is the ridge is. Like go down and go back up. That ridge is just pushing that energy for, I mean, not like K, but K index to push much more about how much that going to tilt it, to see how much this tilt will reducing how much K or not enough, but actually we don't know it will reducing or not, but this will tilt to get a little bit much more wind gust to see it like shift to like 20 degrees on an angle, but I don't know how much angle is that right now, but it's just pushing up and it will go upward to like at least like 90 degrees angle, then moving upwards, then gonna be going away, then another little the southward of that one, and also like the east one over like the North Carolina to see the ridge will reducing a lot of wind gusts, and I will show you about that pretty soon. What is going on about we need to keep on what is going to the next system these days, because so much going on for forecast is unbreakable. What is keep eye on it for this one. I will show you what the max wind gusts right now. You can see what is going on fewer, then go down, then go be quiet, then suddenly gonna be a very windy day for the northeast. By the ridge I was talking earlier, was you need to keep an eye on all of these threats, for there's a lot uncertainty what about that ridge. What is keep an eye on it to in case there's more detailed how much wind gusty could get to the northeast. I will get much detail let you know how much wind gusty the east coast right now. This is the ridge with the wind gusty right now. You can see the wind gust to around like at least like around 38 to 40 per hour. What is going all the way to the Maryland to all the way to the North Carolina, with how much wind gusty out there. What is happening, we need to keep an eye on it for the forecasting. But this will be my ending right now. This is extreme weather out here.